name is Joe Ernest. I'm working for Starbucks as a service manager. And this company is like a laundry manufacturing company. We are into industry from past 40 plus years. These are the laundry machines which suits for hospitals and all. And this year, this one also you can notice it's in 42 years of experience. And we are into services and we are the direct OEM here. And this is the 14th time we are experienced in this medical hall. Every year we participate, and it's very good thing for us. And these are our clients. You can know. This is the company about this company. And this is located in Medshell. Our factory is in Medshell, and office is in Boinpalli. And we do services, everything. Totally marketing service, everything is done by us own only. No third parties included in this. In Hyderabad, all over India we are. You can notice, you can check there, everything. If you Google also, you will get everything about our details, everything. For enquiries also, you can directly contact us. Just starwatchindia.com. You will be getting everything in there. Thank you.